How can I find a wiring diagram for a GE Electric Range JBP79WY4? I replaced the bake element, and when I went to connect the wires, found 2 black and 1 yellow wires. Which wires connect to the element, and where does the third wire connect?
Can you guesstimate how old your GE is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Around 10 to 12 years.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you. Both black wires go on one element terminal and in the yellow on the other. See the attached diagram. Please remember to rate using the stars at the top of the page. You may post back at any time, even after rating, until you have all the information you need. Thank you.
That did, working great. Thanks.
Excellent, nicely done.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.